Alright, so in this video we're actually starting with C++, and we're just going to show you how to print out some information to the screen over here to the right. It used to be when I first started learning C++ many years ago, you would just do cout and then go ahead and type what you wanted to show up here. However, that has since changed, and as it's grown, they've added some new items to C++. So if I actually run this, I'm going to get an error. And so what I need to do is cout has been added to a category, they call it standard, and objects that are very common are included in that, which obviously cout would be. So if I print this now, and we need a semicolon there at the end. There we go. Okay, so you can see here, this is just, think of it as like a folder. So this is just the folder standard, and then we're using cout from that folder or from that class to access this. So in order to access cout, you have to have standard here, or std, in front of it. Okay, and then you just have your text of what you would like to print out. All right, so let's go ahead and print something else. And we'll just say, I like C++. Now, if we do this, what's going to end up happening here is you're going to end up with this on one line. So let's go ahead and print this, because it does not recognize that you would like to have this on another line. So you can see right here that we have hello world, and then we have I like C++. And so what we need to do, there's kind of two different ways we can go about doing this. At the end of hello world, we can add, again, we're going to use the std and end line. So from here, if we add this, we're going to get this to essentially like an enter button on the keyboard. Okay, so it will key that down to the next line. Okay, but let's say we want to add a space in between those lines. So we have hello world and we have I like C++, but if we wanted to, we could also go ahead and do something like this. Oops, I really need to make these look a little better here. It all works well, but it's easier to see what you have going on here. And then we're just going to access, so this is our cout, but we're going to go ahead and access another end line. So it looks like this. So now what we'll do is it's going to run across here to do hello world, and then we're going to hit enter, so it's going to move it down one line. And then we're going to add another one here, so we add a blank line in between these. So let's go ahead and do that. And now you have a blank line. And you could do this over and over, obviously. As many things as you wanted to cout and print to the screen, this is the format that you would use it. Okay? All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.